All right, welcome back. This is lesson 9 in Saxon Math 6th grade. Its main focus is the number line, ordering, and comparing. The first thing I'd like you to do is get a scrap piece of paper, do some mental math, some easy warm-ups of letters A through F, and pause right now, solve those, and come back whenever you're done, and we'll solve them together. All right. So you should have paused. Now we're back. Letter A, 48 plus 120. We're changing two place values, but 100 stays the same. So we have 168. That's not pretty. 168. That's better. All right, B, 76 plus 10 plus 3. This is almost expanded form. We have 76 plus 10 is 86. Plus 3 would be 89. C, 7,400 plus 320 would give us 7,720. And I'm sure I'm going to mess some of these up one of these days because I'm just kind of going through quickly. If I do, send me an email. Let me know I've messed up. It does not hurt my feelings. 860 minus 50 would give us 810. E, 960 minus 600 gives us 360. F, 365 minus 200 gives us 165. All right, on to the number line. A number line is a way to show numbers in order. So the arrowheads show that it goes without end because numbers are infinite in both ways. And this is what we would call a line, just like we learned yesterday about segments and rays and lines. Okay, so these are called tick marks, T-I-C-K, tick marks. Number lines can be labeled in any way that you want. You can skip count. It can be negative. It could be fractions. Number lines are pretty endless that way. To the left of 0 on this number line, however, is negative numbers, and to the right is positive numbers. As we move to the left, it gets fewer and fewer and fewer, and as we move to the right, it gets greater and greater and greater. So if we're going this way, it's subtraction. This way, it's addition. Arrange these numbers in order from least to greatest. Well, that was kind of a subject change, I guess. 121 compared to 112 compared to 211. So you look at the first place value. They all have hundreds places. Okay. I see 2 ones and a 2. We're ordering from least to greatest, so this one is automatically going to be last. It's the greatest. So now I go to the next place value, and I'm looking for the one that is the least, which is 1, not 2. So 112 is first, then 121, then 211. On a number line, these 3 numbers appear in order from least to greatest, so they gave us the answer. We can check our work. Yes, I was able to do that correctly today. It's a good day. When we compare 2 numbers, we decide whether the numbers are equal. If they are not equal, we decide then which is bigger, which is smaller, which we call in math greater or lesser. Then we have the comparison signs. You know these old guys, greater than, less than, and equal to. And we're actually already ready for lesson practice. A, arrange these amounts of money in order from least to greatest. Oh, this is such a good example, and I'll show you why. So we have 12 cents, $12, and $1.20. We need to make sure these are all written in the same way because my trick of looking at the first place value, well, it looks like they all have a 1 in the first place value, but this is the tens place, this is the tenths place, and this is the ones place. So that does not do us any good. Let's line these numbers up using their place value from least to greatest. So 12 cents is the first place that has value is the tenths. So it is the smallest. $1.20 is next because it does not even have anything in the tens place. It's like having a 0 there. So 0 is less than 1. Next we have $12, which is the most in this example because it has a tens place and it has value. So that is letter A. B. So 16 minus 8 minus 2 compared to 16 parentheses 8 minus 2. I forgot a symbol. All right. A lot of my kids just want to do this. They don't want to solve the problem, and that is so agitating. You can't solve this unless you complete the math, the computation on both sides. So let's do the first side. 16 minus 8 is 8, minus 2 is 6. So we're really going to write our answer down here. 8 minus 2 is 6. 16 minus 6 is 10. Now we put our symbol in. So parentheses wins this time. C, again, you got to compare. 2 times 3 compared to 2 plus 3. This is equal to 6. This is equal to 5. So multiplication wins. E, I bet, oh wait, how did I go from C to E? Oh, I skipped the one about division and multiplication. I'll just skip it. We'll go on to letter E. Uh-oh, this is going to be a long ways down. I'll just make a new note. All right, sorry about that. 1 times 1 times 1, or 1 plus 1 plus 1. And I think you'll be surprised at the answer to this one. 1 times 1 is 1, times 1 is 1. But 1 plus 1 is, not 1, 2, plus 1 is 3. So addition wins this time. Use digits to write this comparison. 1/2 is greater than 1/4. And which is longer, 10 inches or 1 foot? And because this is 12 inches, you want to have them in the same measurement. 12 is greater than 10. Here's your meme of the day. Math homework for the weekend, finished Friday night. That's always such a good feeling. So if you ever have homework, I highly suggest getting it just done on Friday night, not worrying about it. If you need me, I'm here. I'll see you soon.